New office of the BJP has just been inaugurated by the Prime Minister. There you see the Delhi Chief Minister next to him, as well as the BJP chief. Now, it's very interesting that you've got elements from architecture from South India also incorporated into this new high-tech office. Earlier, the Delhi BJP office, and Aishwarya will tell you more about it, was on Pandit Pant Marg. That, of course, was at the very heart of Delhi, but there were space constraints there as the organization grows. And in fact, the other important point is that wherever Mr. Modi has been in power, if you travel across Gujarat, you will see offices of the BJP in the smallest cities will be high-tech. Care will be taken to ensure that it is spacious enough for all the office bearers, for all the karyakartas who are visiting, for meetings to take place, for the press to be sitting over there. And even earlier, when you had the BJP's main headquarters in Delhi, there were problems with space, with the way it was constructed. That was first move, and the same, Aishwarya, has been done to Delhi BJP office as well. Tell us about your experiences in the old office and what you see now of the new Delhi BJP office, which has just been inaugurated, and images of which we are seeing right now on our screen. Aishwarya.
Well, several leaders from the Bharatiya Janata Party have fond memories at 14th Pandit Pant Marg, where Bharatiya Janata Party, after defeating Aam Aadmi Party, emerged victorious and they formed the government over there. Of course, there was space constraint, parking issues were there, and limited space for meetings whenever there were senior leaders who used to arrive, and therefore it was in need of an hour. In 2023, it was Bharatiya Janata Party JP Nadda who laid the foundation stone for the new building here at the Deen Dayal Upadhyaya Marg, and within 2 years of time period, a 5-story high-tech building has now been constructed. Prime Minister Narendra Modi, Delhi Chief Minister Rekha Gupta, along with senior union ministers and the MLAs from Delhi BJP, all are invited to this auspicious ceremony. It's an auspicious occasion which is coinciding as well. Today Saptami, and Prime Minister would be inaugurating this newly constructed building. But very interestingly, when we spoke to several of the leaders from the Bharatiya Janata Party, they said that this has South Indian architecture, a 5-story building which have 300-seated auditoriums, sitting capacity for the karyakartas of almost 500. There are also media galleries which had been put in place, canteens, which will have certainly cuisine from different parts of the country, and that all are very well equipped, and it's a high-tech building has been stated. Prime Minister would be inaugurating it. Whether this will bring new fortunes for the Bharatiya Janata Party in the upcoming years is something that remains to be seen.
Well, it's a new building. It also must be mentioned, and Aishwarya will tell you more about it, all the parties actually have shifted to DDU Marg. There were plots earmarked for all the political parties for them to move out of Lutyens Delhi, central Delhi, where there were space constraints. Yes, there were bungalows there which had been turned into party offices, but with severe space constraints, there were often, whenever you had the VIP route in effect over there, it used to also affect the flow of traffic in what can arguably only be called the nerve center of the national capital. And for that, Aishwarya, pretty much now we are going to see, and it's going to be interesting because we've often enough seen the Aam Aadmi Party office there, the BJP office right in front of it. So all the dharnas and marches ended up being very, very short-lived. You literally had to walk 2 steps and you reach the place in front of which you have to put a dharna. All the offices now next to each other on DDU Marg.
Inaugurated, that is also situated at Deen Dayal Upadhyaya Marg, along with the Bharatiya Janata Party headquarters and several other key offices, including the DMK office. In fact, it's just 100 meters away from the Bharatiya Janata Party office in the national capital. So all of those political offices, the headquarters are right situated at Deen Dayal Upadhyaya Marg, which will be now new epicenter for the political spectrum. But it is, yes, the Supreme Court guidelines that all the political offices have to move from Lutyens Delhi because of the problem that the public had to face earlier because of rallies and others, and therefore the reason perhaps a guideline was issued to these political parties to shift their offices. And finally, it was in 2023 the Bharatiya Janata Party President JP Nadda laid the foundation stone. And this particular new building that we are seeing on our screens, as far as the entire area is concerned, it's a 825 square meter of plot that is on which a 5-story structure is being designed. It's an environment-friendly building with modern facilities, and it has a South Indian architecture touch, featuring high pillars at the entrance. There is reception area where Karyakartas can sit, a lawn area as well, and a basement. In fact, there are 2 basements which can handle at least 300 to 400 cars of parking capacity. But it's something that many of the leaders have stated that they have fond memories in the earlier, Gurudwara Rakab.
The leaders, and let's also remember the importance of this new office is because after 27 years, you have the BJP finally in power in Delhi. Earlier this year, they had swept to power in February and in a massive manner. Arvind Kejriwal, he had been in government in Delhi for over a decade, and then you had the BJP winning 48 seats. You had close to 45% vote share that they got in the assembly elections that were held earlier this year. They came to power in Delhi, and now they are moving into their new office. What is going to be the significance? We spoke to a few leaders of the BJP a while ago.
भारतीय जनता पार्टी
आज भारतीय जनता पार्टी दिल्ली प्रदेश के कार्यालय का उद्घाटन हुआ है। हम लोगों के लिए बहुत बड़ा दिन है। 1952 से पार्टी जनसंघ के रूप में स्थापित हुई, लेकिन कार्यालय हमें स्थायी रूप में आज मिला है। आज दिल्ली के 7 सांसद, दिल्ली के मुख्यमंत्री, दिल्ली के मेयर सब भारतीय जनता पार्टी के हैं। इससे हमारी कार्य को गति मिलेगी और हम और ज़्यादा जनता की सेवा कर पाएंगे।
भारतीय जनता पार्टी के दिल्ली के प्रत्येक कार्यकर्ता को बहुत बहुत बधाई। इतने वर्षों बाद आज भारतीय जनता पार्टी दिल्ली प्रदेश इकाई को उसका घर मिल गया है और विश्व का सबसे बड़ा और सबसे लोकप्रिय राजनीतिक दल है भाजपा। ये बहुत अच्छी बात है कि 27 बरस बाद जब दिल्ली के देवतुल्य मतदाता ने भारतीय जनता पार्टी का वनवास समाप्त करा और डबल इंजन की बीजेपी की सरकार अब दिल्ली में भी है, जब दिल्ली अब प्रगति के पथ पर अग्रसर कर रही है, तो आज यहाँ पर नए कार्यालय का भी लोकार्पण हुआ है। सभी को बहुत बहुत बधाई।
कार्यालय हमारे करोड़ों कार्यकर्ताओं की प्रेरणा का स्रोत है। आज बहुत शुभ दिन है कि दिल्ली के भारतीय जनता पार्टी कार्यालय का पूजन हुआ है और शाम को आदरणीय प्रधानमंत्री जी शुभ उद्घाटन करेंगे।